Nation, Merry Christmas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Show your support. People going through a little something because of the pandemic. Dior thought I wasn't going to get her nothing, but I got her a little something, something. It's not a lot, but I just got her something, to show that I care. It's not everything that she wanted, but when things get a little bit better, believe me, she will get what she wants. I think I hear her coming down the stairs now. Surprise! Merry Christmas! Love you. I know it's not everything that you wanted, but
It's okay. A speaker?
yes.
Thank God.
The free got you that.
Thank you. But they probably need to go out and
I know everybody's going through hard times right now. A lot of people not getting everything that their kids want. But you can still go out and get them a little something, and when things get better, you just go out and get them everything that they want. Your auntie bought you that.
I wanted to do yoga. Remember how I wanted to do yoga?
Uh-huh.
Thank God.
Ralphie bought you that. You like it?
That's cute.
Me and you can play that together. Because I know you love to play games.
Board games.
Yeah, board games.
Oh, yeah.
I knew you wanted that.
I'm going to beat you. Like I always do.
What you say? You gonna beat me like you were?
Always doing Uno.
Well, I'm cooking. I got the food in the oven. Cooking. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm cooking. Well, I always make baked chicken because that's what we love. We love baked chicken. Oh, she telling her brother thank you. Excuse the garbage in the background. So I'm making baked chicken because we love baked chicken. It's already in the oven cooking. And I'm making lasagna. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm making lasagna. It's cooking. I'm cooking early because me and Dio have to go out later. And I'm making crab legs for my son and garlic mashed potatoes. So
Rice too.
I don't know if I'm gonna make rice. So we're gonna play a game of operations. You already started putting the pieces in.
Yeah.
You put all of them? You
No.
still got a couple.
I know.
So I hope y'all out there being safe. Have a safe Christmas. Have
What a tooth.
a safe New Year, because New Year's is right around the corner. The tooth? What is that? You sure it's a tooth? Let me see. Let me see how it looks. What is the tooth? I think a couple of pieces are missing. Where's the bread? Oh, let me put the phone on.
You can just work without a lot of pieces.
Okay, so let's just do this. This pieces. This goes here.
Go here.
Yeah, it goes up.
Oh, what is a pony? Oh, this is a dog.
I guess this is this here. Yeah, that's the tooth. Okay.
Alright, so this is the...
Okay, so you want to go first. Remember, you have to not touch the sides or you're out.
Then
We're going to play a couple of other board games that we have too.
Wait. Okay.
Which one you going to go first to get? she got it. She got it, guys.
You saw it go up with the rag. You think that was it, but it puts the spark.
Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna spark.
But mine spark.
No, it gotta make a noise. Ooh. Yeah, time I touched it wronged me. Uh-oh.
Is it making a noise? All right.
Yep. Well, guys, we're gonna enjoy our Christmas. Oh, Jesus. Hope y'all enjoy yours. Follow our social media.
Make sure you follow our Instagram. We are SNC in my TikTok, Dior Smell 10.
Yes, and show your support and subscribe.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. Ding, ding, ding,
Ring your
ding.
ding, ding, ding. And until next
Next time.
time, later.